Finn's big wish. I have a little goldfish named Finn. He swims in circles in his small bowl all day long. I think he is very bored. I watch Finn as he swims. His tiny mouth opens and closes, opens and closes. It looks like he is trying to tell me something. I wonder what Finn would say if he could talk. Maybe he would say, "It's so small in here. I wish I had more room to swim." So I went to the store and bought a brand new big tank for Finn. It was much bigger than his old bowl. I put colorful plants at the bottom of the tank. I even added a tiny deep-sea diver for Finn to explore. I put Finn in his new home. He swam around and around, but he still looked a little lonely. I imagined him saying, "This is a great tank, but where are my friends?" So I went back to the pet store. I bought 3 new goldfish to be Finn's friends. I put the new fish in the tank with Finn. They all swam around together, chasing each other through the plants. I could tell which one was Finn, because he has a special black spot on his fin. He looked so happy with his new friends. I imagined Finn saying, "Thank you. I love my big home and my new friends. This is the best day ever." And I think, just maybe, I saw him smile.